Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you a tutorial on how I keep my nails the same length and size, because that is one of the most asked questions that I get on my channel. So I was like, why not film a video and show you how I do it as well. This is how my nails look like with no nail polish, and they're ready to get taken care of. But first thing that I do is push back my cuticles. I use this Cuticle Pusher, and you can use a end of like your finger, or you can do this as well, or orange wood stick, just depends on your personal preference. And this is super important because it actually allows you to actually use the whole surface of the nail and push back the cuticle. And once that is done, you wanna really make sure that everything is nice and smooth, and obviously you don't wanna push too hard because you don't wanna hurt yourself, but that is one of the most important steps that you can do. And after I pushed back my cuticles, I will use my trusty old glass nail file, and I absolutely love glass nail files because they are super gentle on your nails and you can go back and forth. It won't damage your nail. So I go and I file my nails, and I do this once a week when I'm removing my nail polish, or depending on my personal preference, but once a week for sure, because during a week period of time my nails do grow out a lot. So in this video I'm gonna trim them down a lot, and actually you will not see the whole process because this video will be too long if I do it. But before painting my nails, I always make sure, like at least once a week, to file back my nails because they grow out, and I want to maintain the same length and shape of all my nails. So I do that, and then I just go back and compare it on both hands to see if they're all equally shaped, and that is how I measure my nails. There is nothing like special trick, but that is what I do. And after that is all done, I go and make sure to paint my nails after it, and that's it. Basically just perfecting it a little bit, and that will always give you that perfect square shape once you kind of perfect it. And that's done. Here you can see that they are all the same length and shape, which is something that I love and prefer to have on my nails. And I just applied some nail polish because I really like this color. Let me know what you think in comment section below, because I love hearing your feedback. Let me know, do you prefer to have same length of your nails and shape and everything like that? And also you can let me know what color of nail polish is on your hands right now, because I really want to know. I mean, I'm so nosy, but I really want to know what color is on your nails right now. Leave me that in comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk with you in my next video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. See you in my next video.